Gate 47B. 4 minutes. I have 4 minutes. I can do this. Wait. I am here. Gate 47B. I am here.
I'm sorry, the door is closed. Once it's retracted, we cannot reopen it.
Can you? Is there any way? I am right here. I am here right now. 4 minutes. The plane is right there. 4 minutes. Six hours. The next flight is in 6 hours. Okay. 4 minutes. I was 4 minutes late because the taxi and the queue. 4 minutes. The 2:30 flight, please? Yes. One way. Window seat, if possible. Thank you. 6 hours. I have never had 6 hours in an airport. What do you do with 6 hours? 6 hours. I have never had 6 hours to just be in an airport. Let us see what is here.
Missed a flight?
Is it that obvious?
20 years playing in airports. I know every kind of waiting.
Missed flight looks a certain way.
What way does it look? Like someone who just got time they did not ask for. Best kind of time there is. Paris, go to the 11th. Small club called Aux Trois Malettes. Real jazz, no
Aux
tourists.
Trois Malettes. I am writing that down. Do they have a website? Now boarding flight 14 to Paris at gate 23A. Aux Trois Malettes.
One day I will go.
I will save a seat for you. Safe flight. An actual independent bookshop in an airport. How is that possible? This is the most beautiful bookshop I have been in any airport, anywhere.
Good. You need at least 2 hours in here. This one. Do not argue. Sit in that chair, read the first chapter, then decide. Tea. Do not look up. Keep reading.
I will take this one. And do you have anything else like it?
I have 3 others. How long until your flight? 12 years in this bookshop. The people who miss flights, always the best conversations.
That is a beautiful way to look at it. My flight is at 2:30. I may be back. Marcus, 2 hours and I have already... This is unusual for the next flight. The second chapter is even better. Oh, Linda. That is real coffee. I can smell the difference.
What time did you wake up this morning? And what have you eaten?
A latte? Medium? Is that okay? That is the best coffee I have had in an airport. (1:45), Gate 52A. Boarding at 2 o'clock. I have time. I am not even rushing. Marcus, Linda. The coffee, the book, all of it because of 4 minutes. Linda said it was better. Let us find out. This is the right flight. 90 Fahar. Because I needed the other one to be wrong. Window seat. Chapter 2. The best coffee I have had. This was a good day. 4 minutes late. Best 4 minutes I ever wasted. Missed means not catching something in time. My flight. Delayed means something is late. I was the delayed one.
Discover means finding something you did not know existed. Unexpected means something that surprises you. The best things are better.
Recommend means to suggest something you think is good. I recommend books. Find means to discover something. Sometimes you find the best things by accident.
I missed my flight. What can I do now? That second question is the important one. Ask it.
Excuse me, where is the gate, please? Can you help me? Can you help me? Opens every airport door.
What is the best thing you found in an airport?
Has something going wrong turned good? Comment below. Like this video, share it with someone today. Subscribe for more slow English every week here.
4 minutes late was exactly right. Remember that the next time you are late.
Subscribe. More slow English, more travel, more getting lost and found every week.